A. Take with time. It and take and person and time.
It takes Alan 20 minutes to get to work.
It takes Grace 45 minutes to get to work.
I go to school or university every day. It takes me 30 minutes.
I do homework every day. It took me 2 hours yesterday.
How long does it take to get to the station?
15 minutes in a taxi.
How long did it take you to learn the Greek alphabet?
A week or two. B. Take something with you.
Are you going out? Take an umbrella. It's raining.
Are you going to the beach? Take some water with you.
Sorry, you can't take your camera into the museum.
C. Expressions. Can I take a photo or photograph here?
Are you taking an English course?
Yes.
Do you have to take an exam?
Yes, at the end of the course.
I want to take some Japanese lessons.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
In London, you can take the Underground to the London Eye.
We took a taxi from the airport to our hotel.
How does Nick get to work?
He takes the train.